Hello everyone, I'm Ashwini. So from today onwards, we'll be learning about SEO, which includes what is SEO, how we do SEO, why we need to do SEO. So SEO होता क्या है बेसिकली? तो आपके पास वेबसाइट तो है, बिजनेस है आपके पास, प्रॉपर आपके पास कोई रीच नहीं आ रहा है, कोई यूजर्स आपके पास कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए क्या करना होगा? तो दैट इज वेयर SEO कम्स इनटू पिक्चर. यहाँ पे हम ऑर्गेनिकली विदाउट स्पेंडिंग एनी बजट और अमाउंट ऑन एड्स हम ऑर्गेनिकली ट्राई करते हैं कि आपका वेबसाइट और आपके बिजनेस टॉप में दिखाई दे यूजर्स को. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई से आई वांट टू बाय एनी शूज और लुकिंग फॉर सम लेंस कार्ट शोरूम नियर बाय मी, तो उससे क्या होगा कि अगर आप सर्च कर रहे हो एंड आपके पास वो बिजनेस है, लेंस कार्ड से रिलेटेड आप बिजनेस होल्ड कर रहे हो, एंड इफ यू वांट पीपल टू कम टू योर स्टोर व्हेनेवर इफ दे आर लुकिंग फॉर लेंस कार्ड शोरूम्स नियर यू, तो उसमें हम आपके वेबसाइट को या फिर आपका जो बिजनेस प्रोफाइल होता है वहां पे ऑप्टिमाइज करते हैं सो दैट यूजर्स जब भी सर्च करें आपका प्रोफाइल सबसे टॉप में दिखाई दे एंड वेबसाइट आपकी टॉप में दिखाई दे. तो दैट इज why we do SEO. So let's start with the basic introduction of SEO. As I said, SEO is the process of improving your website visibility and rankings in terms of search engine result page. So now what is the search engine result page? Here it is. So search engine result page is nothing but whenever you look for some query, as I said, lens cart showrooms near me, right? So there comes a list of results. So if I take this example, if I'm searching for SEO services, so there comes a list of websites. So initially it will have different portions. First, it will cover the sponsored one. This is the traffic which related to the paid ads. So wherein people will put some amount and then run their ad so that it comes on the top of the search engine result page. And again, next session is organic results. So here we'll be working completely on your website, on how the content should be there, what kind of images should be used, how we have to optimize the page with respect to the keywords that you want to target for your website. So that is how organic result works. Next, when I say traffic, so what exactly it is? Traffic is nothing but the number of people, if someone is searching for some product. Let's say if I have an e-commerce website and I'm selling a shoes on my platform. So if someone is looking for shoes and searching for a query like red shoes of Adidas or any other brand, if I am selling that particular product and someone is looking for that particular product, whenever they search and then click on my website, they land onto my website. So that is how the traffic is counted. And basically if I say, it's the number of people who visit a website after searching for it on the search engine. So again, it has two different types. One is organic traffic. That is how the part of SEO comes into picture. So wherein we'll optimize the website and drive the traffic from organic way. Next is paid traffic, which is Google Ads. Through sponsored and like we'll have to set up some campaigns and all. So that we'll be covering in our Google Ads classes later on. So now you know what is SEO and why do you need to do SEO. So now let's understand what is the importance of SEO. So it's basically to increase your website traffic, boost the credibility and trust. So boosting your credibility and trust, it's a part of SEO again. And then cost effective compared to paid advertising. So in paid ads, you'll have to spend amount and you'll get the results until and unless you spend on the ads. So but here in organic way, you'll have to work on optimization of your website, wherein you'll get the like increase in traffic also, and you'll have to like work on the content part, which helps you in the in boosting your credibility and trust in front of your users, and again enhance the user experience. Then finally it will help you into higher conversion rates. So now let's understand how search engine works. So basically if I talk like how the search engine actually works. It can be divided into 4 different steps. So first is crawling. The search engine uses bots to scan your complete website, so wherein it will move from one page to another page or one link to another links. That is, in layman terms, if I say, that is known as crawling. When I say indexing, so indexing is nothing but storing your information into Google's database. So initially, whenever a bot start crawling your web pages, it will then store the page content or whatever the information you have in your web page. It will be stored in the database, and then here it is stored in the database. And then whenever if some user is looking for that particular query, something related to your web page, if your web page have the proper content related to your user query, Google will rank your page on the top, wherein it will consider few factors like relevancy, keywords, type of content, other things. So that is how it will finally display the result to users. Next, we can cover like what are the key elements of SEO. So there are major factors, like when we consider what are the ranking factors to get your website ranked on the search engine result page. So here comes one thing is major first priority is to keyword research. So if you are planning the proper keyword to your website, so your half of the work is done. And it is important to identify the most relevant terms. So here we'll have to work on the competitor analysis, what kind of users are looking for and what are the queries they are using. Based on that, we perform the keyword research part. And then once the keyword is finalized, we'll have to work on page optimization. So this include optimize your whole web page content, the structure of your website, what kind of blocks, if I say what kind of blocks it should be there, what is the structure need to be followed, and when it comes to the images, what kind of images will attract users, the user experience also. So all this will be the part of on-page optimization. Next comes off-page optimization. This is completely related to the website authority building. So one authority is built through on-page work, which includes your content and images, the quality of your web page, everything. Then comes the off-page part. So here we'll be working on high-quality backlinks, where we'll be getting reputed backlinks from high-quality backlinks from reputable websites. Then comes the technical SEO part. Here we'll be addressing how the search engines crawl your website, what kind of pages will needs to be indexed, and page speed, if there are any broken links or not. So all these things needs to be focused when it comes to key elements of SEO. And if you want to see the success and improvement of your website, so we'll have to work on major these parameters and these elements. So next we'll be covering in our further classes what are the how to do keyword research and how to do on-page optimization, what are the steps needs to be done for off-page optimization, how to build backlinks through outreach strategy and other parameters. Thank you.